Well, what is inside this Amazon package, YouTube? Well, hello everyone, this is Tate the lawn cutting and rail fending musician. Here on YouTube, we're going to get ready to unbox this. I'm ready to see what's in this box. Let's go. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that, YouTube. Well, let's go ahead and unbox it more. Oh, we got another box in here, YouTube. Oh, what? Yeah, I just need people to be able to see it. Okay, so we got the remote here. Oh, let's see. Now it says there's a plastic thing we must pull out for the remote to work. So let me pull that out. Alright, plastic piece is pulled out. Now let's see. Let's get to this big guy. Oh, look. Whoa. This is cool. Go ahead and pull that out. Okay. So look what we have here, YouTube. We have, let me get this zip tie off, or this twist tie. On YouTube, it's taking me a bit. I can do that. I got this. All right. Oh, yeah. All right. So we can, and this also comes with it right here. This is the. Now this is also a mounting bracket. Here's the ball itself. Let's just see what this thing does. Alright, YouTube, here we go. Around the cord. Come over here. Move my headlamp out of the way. I'll put my headlamp in my storage basket up here. And now let me go ahead and turn off my power strip to prevent electric shock. Alright, here we go, YouTube. Let me go ahead and plug this puppy in. Alright, let's do it. Look at that, YouTube. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. Alright, let's see. There's the remote. This way. Now later on YouTube, I'll show you when it's darker outside so that way you can actually see it a little bit better. But yes, that is, I actually got that thanks to Aunt Leslie because I dog sat for her. So
do you want your remote?
Yeah, let's get the remote.
The remote is right behind you on the bed.
Here we go. There it is. So I'm going to go through the different modes for y'all. I'm going to go to A1. Here we go. Flash. Okay, there's flash. Let's see if I can see it now. Oh, you can stop the rotation. That's cool. You can change the color. What else it does? Sound activation mode. Different modes. Oh, I see. I have the remote backwards. Okay. There we go, YouTube. Sorry, I had the remote backwards. Alright, that's off. That's on. This stops your rotation. This, go through your different modes. You have, let's go through different colors. We have, let me get the disco ball over here so y'all can see it. So it's got different modes on here. We've got A1. There we go. There's A1, A2. Let's see. There's flash. A1, A2, A3. There's blue, cyan, red. Okay, that's magenta. There's blue and red, magenta. Red and green. Flash. And then there's another mode here. Okay, and that's just blue. Does that look pretty cool, YouTube? Alright, I will turn it off for now. Now when you plug it in, it automatically comes on. So there we go, YouTube. That is my new spriak disco ball. Alright. Thank you guys for watching the video.